welcome back to Learn English with Ease. I'm Amelia. How are you today?
Hi guys, I'm Trump. Did you sleep well last night?
I hope so, because today we're talking about something we all deal with every day, work and daily routine.
That's right. Coffee, meetings, deadlines, and maybe a little bit of stress too.
Oh, yes, but don't worry. We'll make it fun. You'll learn how to talk about your job, describe your daily routine, and speak politely at work in English.
So grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's start our day together, English style.
Okay, start talking about your job. So, Trump, what do you do?
I work in an office. I'm a project manager. I plan meetings, send emails, and help my team finish projects on time.
That sounds busy. I'm a teacher, so I plan lessons and help students learn English, like today.
Nice. We both help people, but in different ways.
Exactly. Now, let's teach our listeners some job vocabulary. Vocabulary practice. Repeat after us slowly. Job, office, meeting, boss, colleague, schedule, project, report, break, deadline.
Now, let's use them in sentences.
I work in an office.
I have a meeting at 10 o'clock.
My boss is very kind.
I finished my report before the deadline.
Perfect! Good job, everyone. Okay, let's talk about our daily routines. Trump, what's your day like?
Well, I wake up at 7, take a shower, and have coffee. Lots of coffee. Then I start work at 9 and finish around 5.
Nice! I usually wake up early too. I like to listen to music while I make breakfast. Then I teach classes until the afternoon.
That sounds productive.
Yes, and listeners, here are some useful phrases for your daily routine. I wake up at 7. I start work at 9. I take a break at noon. I finish work at 5. I go home and relax.
Great job. Try saying your own sentences with these.
Now let's practice some small talk. Little friendly chats at the office.
Okay, let's do a quick example.
Hi, Trump. How's your morning going?
Pretty good. Just busy with meetings. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. The coffee is helping.
Me too. Okay, here are some small talk questions you can use at work. How's your day going? Did you sleep well? How was your weekend? Busy today?
Simple, friendly questions, perfect for natural conversation. Let's practice how to make plans at work.
You can say, let's have a meeting at 2 p.m. Are you free tomorrow morning? Can we talk after lunch?
Good. And to reply politely, sure, that works for me. Sorry, I'm busy then. How about 3 p.m.?
Being polite helps everyone communicate easily. Could you send me that file, please? I'll check and get back to you. Thanks for your help. Have a nice day.
See? Simple, polite, professional.
And they make your English sound natural at work.
Now let's practice together. Repeat after us. I work in an office. I start work at 9 o'clock. I take a break in the afternoon. I have a meeting with my boss. I go home at 5.
Excellent. Now think about your own job. What time do you start? What do you do every day? Try to say it in English.
That's all for today's episode. Great job, everyone.
You learned how to talk about work, your daily routine, and polite phrases for the office.
Remember, learning English is like a work day. It's not always easy, but every small step matters.
That's right. Keep speaking, keep listening, and keep smiling.
I'm Amelia.
And I'm Trump.
Thanks for joining Learn English with Ease. See you in the next episode. And don't forget to take your coffee break.
Coffee is important for learning too. Bye, everyone.